up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and on this video it is going to be a trade recap on today's trade. Decided to take a Wednesday trade even though I typically don't trade Wednesdays, but I'm going to show you guys a trade for today. It was on gold and I ended up losing $120, but let's go ahead and get started on this trade. Okay, so this is the trade right here on gold. I'm going to back this up for you guys just so you guys can see. So this was the chart when I looked at it. This was at 7:15. Alright, when we go to the higher time frames, we created a push to the upside yesterday. We had a break of structure, breaking the highs of Monday the 23. We're on, so basically this week we broke that high. Alright, we had a break of structure to the upside. So what I was looking for was if these EMAs cross the 200, then obviously I would go for sales. If they didn't cross the 200, we went back up, then I would go for buys. Okay, so now let's go ahead and fast forward here. Let's go to 8 in the morning. So boom, this right here was supposed to be my trade. The reason why it did not let me take this trade was just because of my contracts expiring, close to liquidation or something like that. So I was like, alright, whatever. It's not letting me buy. So I decided to go to micros. I went to the right contracts. I went to micros and I was like, okay, bought for one contract and then I got stopped out. Right? But typically this was supposed to be the trade that did win for a 1-to-1. But let's see here. So as you guys can see, we tapped into my zone. We had a gap in between. We broke break of the candle. Of course, my first stop is a 1-on-1, and then a 1-on-2. Okay, so this was supposed to be the trade. It hit the 1-on-1 and it hit the 1.5 RR, which is right there. Oh wait, it didn't even hit it, but it hit the 1-on-1 RR, right? Mostly, I was trying to actually go for this high because I thought we were gonna keep going higher. But that case did not happen, right? We went back down, and the reason why I took this trade again was just because we rejected back to the upside, right? If you guys decided to take a breakout candle of the 13 EMA, you guys would have typically lost just because we didn't hit that 1-on-1. The reason why I took this was just because I decided, alright, this candle closed bearish, this white candle, but then this red candle came in strong, almost breaking this candle. And the reason why I took it was just because I thought we were going to close above the 13 and the 50, and we were going to break that candle. I joined a little bit too early, and then all of a sudden, in like 15 seconds, that thing rejected like crazy. Ended up getting stopped out for $120. My take profit was going to be this high, and yeah, that is how I lost. I should have won today just because gold low-key hold me. I couldn't buy, which was low-key kind of weird. I don't know why. Like, I don't know why it's not letting me buy, bro. Like, just let me buy, bro. That's all I want to do. Just let me buy. But I should have won the trade, but I guess I wouldn't say I rushed the trade because I thought we were going to continue to go up just because of this demand zone, and we were following the 13 and the 50 EMAs, and as well as I would say we were following the trend. The reason why we had a break of structure to the upside on the higher time frames right here, and as well as we had liquidity down here, so we had a good push to the upside, right? But then all of a sudden it just didn't want to do. It just didn't want to keep going, continue to go up. So the rest of the market was just, look at this, just ranging. That's basically what it gave me for the rest of the day. I didn't see anything on NQ. Well, the only thing that I saw was just this 5-minute supply zone. But look at the EMAs, bro. The EMAs were not good. This market was decent. If we look at it, without the EMAs, it looks pretty decent. But when we look at it with the EMAs, it's just like all over the place. So I didn't take any trades on NQ. I only took a trade on gold. It is what it is. We have tomorrow, Friday, and then we have 4 trading days left for the rest of the month, and then we'll be in April. That is crazy, bro. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys join the Discord, and as well as follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Se meten los de las capuchas, andan bien truchas, lo que en el radio se escucha. Güey, no